Yep.
And then this. Okay?
Yep. Alright guys, for comparison's sake, I'm going to be showing you how to be pinpoint. And as you can see, I'm just really doing this on the spot instead. So rather than doing a few small trades, I rather just do one big trade that's on point. And I'm going to be forecasting a turning point in this one, and I'll be taking a trade right there. So just taking a forecasted trade. Alright. So I'm forecasting this trade based on diagonal support and resistance. Could have also worked out on a what do you call that?
Daddy.
60-second, but I chose to give it more time.
Daddy, Daddy. Daddy.
Didn't get the best entry, so just wait and see how that works out. The additional time should give us a clear cut win.
Daddy.
There we go.
Daddy. Daddy, 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 Daddy.
Yes.
I'll see your iPhone.
Later.
Okay.
There you go, the full-on reversal. That's why I want to give it a bit more time rather than taking some really short trades when the trade can still be uncertain. But I just saw that, like if you saw my other training about the forecasting, the reversals and pullbacks, you can see how I project trend lines in that video. That's what I've done exactly here as well, and then you can see how that's being applied in this trade. So in the previous video, you saw how I spent about 20 minutes to make like $500-600, but in this video, simply 5 minutes to make 770 with way less capital exposure than the previous one. As you can see, the previous round, the previous round that you saw in the video, I went up from 120, 240, 600, 1,500, and then I tried a slightly higher risk. I started with 240, 240, 480, 1,200, and 6,000. Of course, it looks gratifying to see that, but imagine if it lost, right? That's going to kill you out. But on the other hand, let's say, touch wood, if this was a bad trade spot, all you really need to do is just to get back in, win another trade somewhere else. Not even a martingale, not even chasing a trade, find a totally different trade, and just make back the loss, and you're back at break even again. So if you could do one of this versus 20 minutes or something else that you're really only looking for one win, this is so much more economical. How much time do we spend to do this? Probably about less than a minute to spot the opportunity, and then 5 minutes to watch the trade take off. And now we're just within seconds of winning this trade, and we have accomplished in a very short span of time with a lot less risk the same thing that we would have accomplished with heavy martingaling, exposing as much as 20% of the account, or even 30 or 40% of the account. And this is so much safer, so much more effective. Alright, that's what I wanted to show you. This is Julian Wong from the Binary Lab. If you want to learn the real way to trade, such as this is just a preview. It doesn't have all my indicators that I usually use. So if you sign up for the Binary Lab, you will be able to receive the full trading template that I use, the full trading system, the expiry times, recommendations, so on and so forth. And you get added to the Facebook and Telegram communities like this, where you can check out trading, have discussions with people, and actually get to watch live webinars as well. So to do that, go over to the link in the video description. Is thebinarylab.net/join-binary-lab. Goodbye for now, and good trading.